Welcome to question bank. Today's question is: a synchronous generator is connected to an infinite bus which is having 1 per unit voltage. Excitation voltage to the synchronous generator is 1.3 per unit. Then comes synchronous reactance is of 1.1 per unit. Real power delivery to the bus is 0.6 per unit. It have negligible stator resistance, and question is asking what is the reactive power supplied by the generator to the infinite bus. So we will start from the real power. So real power is given by P is given by EV by XS into sine delta, and here what is real power is given 0.6 per unit is equal to 1.3, that is excitation voltage, into V, that is V is 1 is here given, and XS is 1.1, that is synchronous reactance, into sine delta. So here we can find out sine delta is equal to 0.5077. This will be calculated to be this much, and delta will be sine inverse of this one, sine inverse of 0.5077, and this will be around 30.51 degrees. And you must know that for power flow equation of a synchronous motor or the synchronous generator is given by P is equal to EV by ZS. ZS is the synchronous impedance, cos theta minus delta minus V square by ZS cos theta. This one is the real power, and reactive power is EV by ZS. Only the cos will be replaced by the sine, and here sine theta minus delta minus V square by ZS sine theta. What are these formulas? These formulas in which both resistance and reactance both exist, but if RS, that is RA, that is armature resistance, is equal to 0, then ZS synchronous resistance will be equal to synchronous reactance, and then theta, which is the angle between R and X, will be equal to 90 degree, and so P will become the above formula that I have already used here. P will be this much, there will be no theta, and Q will be I am writing the only Q will be EV by XS sine delta. So here, this one is P, and Q will be V by XS into E cos delta minus V. This one will be Q. So here if we calculate Q, this will be 1 by 1.1 into E is 1.3 cos 30.51 minus 1. So this will be around 0.109, which is around 0.11. So here option C is the correct answer. So what is the main thing to be noticed? Main thing to be noticed here, what is theta, what is delta, this formula, and when r is equal to 0, what will be the formula? So here theta is the angle between, what is angle between r a and xs. This is the complex one, and this is given as zs, that is synchronous impedance, is the sum of armature resistance. This is armature resistance xs is divided into two parts. One is xl and xa. xl is the leakage reactance and xa is armature reactance. So xl plus xa is called the xs, synchronous reactance, and theta is the impedance angle, xzs impedance angle here. So thank you for watching up to here.